Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create spooky faces using our velvet gel nail polish. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right corner to watch our full application tutorial to see these steps in detail. When you're ready, let's get started. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of blackout and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of velvet gel and cap the free edge, leaving it uncured. We want to create an aura effect with the brightest area in the center of the nail, fading to darker edges. To achieve this, hover the small end of your strong velvet magnet around the nail, gently pushing the effect toward the center. Pull the magnet away from the nail before you do the next section to avoid the glitter to move out of place. Once you're happy with how it looks, cure for 60 seconds. Using blackout and your dotting tool, place a dot and drag it downward to form long oval-shaped eyes. Below this, paint 2 dots for the nose. Cure for 10 seconds. Using your thin nail art brush, paint a curve for the smile. It doesn't need to be perfectly even, the unevenness adds to the spooky effect. Paint thin lines across the smile to create stitches. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. You can play around with other velvet shades and spooky faces for different looks. Thanks for watching!